What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Katscoils. Today is a very special day. It is the day that I recognize my 2-year DIY Microlocs milestone. And it has been such a wonderful journey so far. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you some of my all-time favorite products, tools, and things that I have found that work best for DIY Microlocs. Sit down, grab a cup of tea, whatever you're drinking, and just have a chat with me because we're going to get into it. All right, so first I want to just give you guys a texture shot, show you what my hair is looking like now, and then I'll show you guys what my hair looked like during my first month or so. And I just really want you to see the difference between what it looked like then and what it looked like now. So here we go. So here's a texture shot of my hair at 1 month. And as you can see, I love it. The twist pattern is nice and defined. My ends are nice and curly. My hair is really nice and light. And notice the color as well. And here's my current texture at 2 years. All right, so now I kind of want to talk to you guys about my grid because my grid is very special to me because I started my grid myself, and when I first started my locks, I was not particular about like the exact grid. I didn't need it to be like all scientific or anything like that. I just really wanted to make sure that my locks were the right size for myself. Okay, so that was my main focus, and so let's take a look at my grid. So this is what my grid is currently looking like. The parts are not perfect, but just to catch some of you guys up who are just joining my channel, I started my locks with twist and I braided the ends and I do the 3-point rotation. But yeah, so back to the grid. When I first started my locks, I had twists that were a little too big, and so I had to take each twist and kind of separate it into 2 separate twists. And so that's why some of my parts are not perfect, but I love my grid the way it is because my lock size is the exact size that I want them to be. But yep, just showing you guys a little up close and personal of what my grid is currently looking like. Also, this is what my fresh retie looks like. I do not interlock tightly because I do have alopecia. So now I kind of want to talk to you guys about the texture of my locks. My locks, I love them. They are unique to me, and I love the texture of my locks because they are still holding on to the twist pattern after 2 years. I can't believe it. My hair loves to twist up and just lock into that twist, but never did I know that after 2 years, I could still see my twist pattern. So I'm going to give you a little close up and show you guys what my twist pattern is looking like at 2 years. So here's what my twist pattern is currently looking like. As you can see, the locks are maturing nicely and the pattern is starting to fade, but there are certain areas where the twist pattern is just stubborn. It does not want to go away. That's okay though. I love it. I love the texture of my locks and the twist pattern and all of that. I just love the whole package. All right, so the next thing that I want to talk to you guys about is the Alopecia Spot, and I'm just going to show you guys what it is looking like at the moment. As you guys can see, can you see? Okay, as you guys can see, I do have a couple spots here, and the area isn't doing too bad, but it's just a spot. Like literally, it's a spot where hair grows and it falls out, it grows and it falls out. It is a continual journey with this area. So you can see that over 2 years, I have had to combine a couple locks in this area. I have started some locks in this area. This is a fresh new baby lock. I have another baby lock here, and this is a lock that I've actually combined the ends of 2 locks into 1 lock, and I will show you guys how I do that in another video. One thing I can say about the Alopecia Spot is that I have not lost a single lock in that area. It may sound absurd, but I literally have not lost a single lock in the Alopecia Spot. Something interesting happens when the hair falls out, like the lock that is in that area, it will hang on by a few threads. And as the hair grows back, I just intertwine those new baby hairs into that lock. So it's pretty interesting how I have not lost a single lock in that area. Now I have taken 2 locks, combined them into one, and then taken the tip of the 2 locks and just cut one piece off and incorporated that into another lock. So I will talk to you guys a little bit more about like some of the things that I do to keep that area nice and thick. But I'm just excited about like how even though that spot is going through some things, it still thrives. Okay, so the last thing I do want to talk to you guys about today are my products, all of my staple products and the things that I really have begun to love over the course of this journey. So the first thing I want to talk to you guys about is my shampoo. So I do want to start by saying I'm not getting paid to say this, but I love this product. I love the Pure Zero Biotin Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. I feel like it is one of the contributing factors to my hair being strong and healthy and thick. Okay, zero sulfates, phthalates, all that stuff. It just does not have all the bad stuff in it, and it has all the good stuff in it. But yeah, so this has been one of my staple products since the beginning of my DIY Microlocs journey. Another shampoo and conditioner that I love is actually the Voice of Hair. And so this is the leave-in cream. I'm actually all out of the shampoo. That's why I've been using the Biotin Strengthening Shampoo and Conditioner. But this is the leave-in conditioner from Voice of Hair. And I've been using this for about a little over a year now. Same container, but as you can see, it is close to being all gone too, so I need to go ahead and order some more of this. But I love this because I literally only use a fingertip amount for each time that I wash my hair, and I use this, and then after I use this, I add my Voice of Hair Elixir oil onto the ends. And I think this also helps, really helps with strengthening my hair and keeping it nice and moisturized. So Voice of Hair is one of my staple products. All right, so the next product that I want to show you, it's not really a product, it's like a tool, my spray bottle. I absolutely love this spray bottle. It's one of those misters. As you can see, it just provides a continual mist. So whenever my hair is feeling a little dry, I always mist my hair with some water. And yep, just spray it, mist it, just bring some moisture back into my hair. And all I have in here is water, because I always add, on top of my water, I'll add the leave-in conditioner, just a little bit, and then the Voice of Hair Elixir oil to seal in the moisture. All right, so this is another staple, the mister. You want a mister if you have Microlocs, because you're gonna always be moisturizing your hair. The next staple is obviously gonna be my interlocking tool. You gotta have an interlocking tool if you have DIY Microlocs. And so this is my all-time favorite tool. I love it because, do you see how skinny this is right here? The eye of this needle. It's perfect for my DIY Microlocs because when I go ahead and put one of my locks in, I'll just show you. You pull it through and it literally locks in place. There aren't a lot of interlocking tools that are small enough to lock in place. So gotta have this interlocking tool. I will put a link in the description to show you guys where to get this tool from, but this is a must-have. I'll talk to you guys about my lock jewelry. I don't currently have any lock jewelry in my hair, but when I do, I will be using the lock beads. And I actually have a video that I posted, my latest video was of lock jewelry, and I'll show you guys, if you really want to see in detail how I install my lock jewelry, then I will show you. But yep, I have them in these cute little containers. I have gold, I have clear, and I have turquoise. And I also have another tool that I use to put the lock beads on. But These are my all-time favorites for my Microlocs. Love, love, love. And I've gone through a couple different types of lock jewelry, and I found that the beads are my favorite. So I previously mentioned the Voice of Hair Elixir Oil. And again, I am pretty much all out of my products. How y'all know I'm really using these products that I am vouching for, because they are all pretty much empty, or they are empty. So yeah, it's my 2-year anniversary. So I think I may go ahead and stock up on all of my all-time favorites. But yeah, this is my must-have. This is what I use to seal in my moisture, and this is also what I use when I do my scalp massages. I will put some Voice of Hair Elixir Oil onto my fingertips, and I will massage my scalp. I don't know how I have gone 2 years without having this amazing, amazing thing, and this is my hair towel. I love this towel because, one, it is microfiber, it is super absorbent, and it is pretty cool because you take it, and I'm just gonna show you. And you guys see this right here in the back? This a piece of elastic right here. You just tuck that tail of your towel there and do what you need to do. Let your hair air dry in this microfiber towel. And I love this towel also because it does not shed those tiny little bits of lint on your hair. So yes, this towel is from a company called Get Well Trust. And I absolutely love, love, love this towel. Y'all gotta get you one, because listen, you can be letting your hair dry, and look, you can be super cute while doing it. Hello, it's a win-win. But yeah, so that is my favorite towel that I am using to air dry my hair. I literally washed my hair yesterday and let it air dry while I was interlocking. I just interlocked my hair last night, right before I recorded this video today. So hair is freshly interlocked and clean and everything. So I just wanted to give y'all a fresh new look with my 2-year update, so that you guys can see what my hair is currently looking like. Oh yes, I almost forgot to show you guys. I don't know if you noticed, but like there are a couple streaks of lighter color. I just lightened a few locks just because I was feeling happy. Just a few. In the back, I didn't touch, but I did color a couple. And then also, y'all, I experimented on this lock right here. So this lock used to be this short. And so remember how I told you I cut off a couple of the locks that had like, there were two locks. I cut some. So you can see this one right here. This is the one. So this was 2 locks. There was one here and then this one. So I took the one that I cut and I incorporated into this lock. I'm still experimenting on lock extensions for Microlocs, but this is what it looks like. It's a whole longer lock now, so yeah. Well, that is all I have for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking all the way to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. Thank you so, so much for all of your support. Please comment down below and let me know where you are in your Microlocs journey. Let me know if you are starting your Microlocs. I love to hear it. I've heard so many people saying that they have started their Microlocs journey, or they will be starting their journey. I'm so glad I'm able to just help somebody with their Microlocs journey. Hope this video was helpful, and until next time, bye.